All right, Tuesday. Good afternoon. I'm Coach Skip. I've got your Burn at Home workout for you. Hopefully you're getting your week started right. And I know we're having a great week here at Wildfire. So if there's anything we can do to help, come on in. That's exactly what we're here for. So getting into the workout today, we've got a warm-up. We're going to be doing 4 rounds of 10 straight leg kicks, 5 push-ups to a down dog, 10 mule kicks, and then 5 V-ups. So we're working both the front and the back of the legs, the upper body, and then the core all in this warm-up. So 4 rounds, starting with that straight leg kick. And all you're going to be doing is making that big kick and going right leg to left hand and just right up and then switch and alternating back and forth, really working on keeping that leg as straight as possible each time, and just getting it all the way up there. And right plus left is going to equal 1 on these. If getting that kick or the balance is an issue, then just hold on to something and do the same thing and just kick straight up each time. And you're going to find over the course of 3 or 4 rounds of these that this is also going to work the core a little bit, which is exactly what we want. So 10 straight leg kicks, and then 5 push-ups to a down dog. So you're going to be in that push-up position on your toes, all the way down, touch your chest, drive away, and then get into that down dog position to get that extra shoulder stretch, and then right back down. You need to go off your knees. You can do the same thing here. When you come up, go up onto those toes for that down dog, get that head through the window, heels to the ground, and then right back down to the knees. And lastly, you can also do this one off the bench, where you do the same thing and then get into that kind of more of a child's pose than a down dog off the bench. Just as long as you get a shoulder stretch in as well, that's what we're looking for. Next, we've got mule kicks. On that mule kick, same thing, right plus left is going to equal 1 on these. So you're hinging at the waist, kicking that back leg up behind you, and then switch. 1, 2. Again, notice how the leg that I'm keeping on the ground, I'm keeping that foot planted flat and really getting that hinge at the waist. If you need to balance on something, just get that trusty bench or platform, front of the couch, whatever works. And the same thing is going to apply. We want to keep that front foot flat as we kick the leg up behind, and you're going to feel that stretch through your hamstrings. Final exercise is going to be 5 V-ups, and so flat on your back, arms overhead, legs out in front, and you're just going to be creating that V with your body and right back down. If you need to on this one, you can also do a lemon squeezer, where you're just bringing your knees into your chest and reaching for your heels, and then right back out again. You can also do this one from a seated position, where you're going to be, again, keeping those legs straight and just get them up as high as you can, and then right back down. So those are your options for V-ups as well. So 4 rounds, 10 straight leg kicks, 5 push-ups to a down dog, 10 mule kicks, and then 5 V-ups. So 10, 5, 10, 5. For the workout today, we've got a 14-minute AMRAP. So set your watch, set a clock, do as many rounds as possible in 14 minutes of 10 side lunges, 10 hollow-ups, 10 glute bridges, and 10 plank shoulder taps. So on the side lunge is where we're starting, and you are going to get that left leg out, get that big stretch, get as low as you can here, and then right back up, and then switch legs. And this isn't a pause or anything at the bottom. The purpose is to get as far away from center as possible in that lunge. And you're not really getting much out of it. We've got some alternatives for you, but just get that big lunge to the side and then switch legs. And that's going to be 1, 2. So you can also do this holding on to something, a door jamb, just something solid that's not going to slide away from you, and do the same thing. And it's just going to help decrease the resistance a little bit, so you're not putting quite as much pressure on the legs and on the knees. And that's also a good way to do it. And if you're not quite getting down all the way, but you're getting some good distance, then that's totally fine. As long as you're feeling that in the hips, the better. Today you're going to do one thing, tomorrow you're going to get better, the day after that you're going to be getting better, as long as you stay consistent. After the side lunges, we're going to be doing hollow ups. So on the hollow up, you're going to be flat on your back, arms overhead, and just create that banana shape with your body, and then right back down. Right back down. You should feel that good squeeze in your core the entire time, and that's exactly where we want you to feel it, is right there through that core. If getting down on the ground is an issue, then you're going to go from a seated position, and you're going to make that same banana shape and right up and down. It's just not quite as much motion as we get in the V-up. So still get that core engaged, but it is 10 reps, so a smaller motion than that V-up we did in the warm-up. Next, we've got glute bridges. So on that glute bridge, you're going to be on your back, hands at your sides, and just push those hips up into the air, really squeeze your butt, and then right back down. We're really engaging that butt and making sure we're getting ready for bathing suit season. That's what it's all about right now. If you need to do this from a seated position, do the same thing and just push those hips up and right back down. And right back down. Last exercise is going to be a plank shoulder tap. So you're in that plank position on your hands. You're going to reach up with your right arm and touch your left shoulder, left arm to right shoulder. And just back and forth, right plus left equals 1 on these. If you need to go from your knees, same thing, just start flat and go right up. You should still keep that core engaged and that weight on your shoulders. And you can also do this from a leaning position. Just as long as there's some pressure here, that's what we're looking for. So 14-minute AMRAP, 10 side lunges, 10 hollow ups, 10 glute bridges, and 10 plank shoulder taps. Everything we're doing today is right plus left equals 1 rep. So have fun, keep track of your rounds, get that score in. I just did this one a little while ago. I got 8+ rounds in there, so it's a little less than 2 minutes a round. So keep that good pace the entire way through, and have a blast with this one. Share it with somebody that you know. Challenge somebody. Hey, I did this today, and I got 6 rounds. I dare you to do better, and have that friendly competition that's only going to help hold you accountable and help you get better, faster, and stronger all the way around. So thanks, guys. Have fun with this one. I'm Coach Skip signing off, and I will see you tomorrow with another workout. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.